Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Spruce Street. We are here at Park Row and Spruce Street. Before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am before we take off again. So basically this is Park Row right here. All this on the street that we're going to be examining will be this one, Spruce Street. Now I'm going to show you guys how these streets are really kind of like twisted again. So journey lies down there, guys, Spruce Street. And now let me show you where I am. Let me show you where I am. Again, that's Park Row, Spruce Street. And we have a special guest. We'll say hello when we come back, finish the video, guys, right there. And we'll begin the journey now. Again, this is called Spruce Street. I'm gonna show you how this street is not straight. It is not straight, it is weird. Again, coming up at Spruce Street, Nassau Street, and this is also known as Pace Plaza. Now, oh, check it out, guys, more Roman columns right there. Nice. Like I said, this street in particular, when I saw it, I'm like, no way, man. So you think that it's very short, maybe about 3 or 4 block size, but it does end, but it continues in a non-traditional street manner. This is only one of 2 that I'm gonna do today that are really, really weird, man. And we have a small plaza down here. A very small plaza. This is there's no name for this one. It says, I don't see no name for this. Anyway, it's just a plaza. So we keep going. Noisemaker, see? So now we go this way. Oh no, it's open. It's open, see? Noisemaker. I'm a jackhammer. Again, Noisemaker. And that is Space University, the other side. So basically, it's only about 3 blocks long, guys, but check it out. Check what I'm about to do right now. And you have another plaza right here. Again, once you come down south of Manhattan, downtown, you're gonna see that all these streets are really, really small, guys, comparing to Midtown, which they're big and they're straight. They're not obscure, twisted, you know, like the ones on here. And we only passed one street, which is called Nassau Street. That's it. The only street so far. But I'm going to show you where it's going to continue. This should be no more than 15-20 minutes, guys, for Spruce Street down here, downtown Manhattan, south. Okay, guys, so basically, hold on, where's the, okay, coming up at Spruce Street, and this is, see, guys, how they have, see how, okay, this is Gold Street. Yeah, this is Gold Street. So coming up at Spruce Street, Gold Street. Now notice how there's no more street back there, guys. So the street here of Spruce Street literally ends here, going back down there. But I'm gonna show you now. It's gonna turn into a pedestrian path now. Again, this street where I am right now, this is Gold Street, guys. Gold Street. Normally I will come here, go like this, and then say goodbye, and they will start all over again down there. But the street ended, but now you have a pedestrian path here. So you see this? This here, this is still Spruce Street right here. Now it's like a pedestrian path. So there's no longer any more cars or stuff like that, any vehicles. But you look at Google, it says that this street, it still says Spruce Street, but it's not. It's not a pedestrian path now. Was that a street before? I don't know. And now up ahead, to the left, you're gonna see what we're gonna see right now. So you figure it ends here, where the wall is back there? No, it doesn't. It keeps continuing as a street under the same name. So now we're gonna do a 90 right now, right here. And this, guys, this still Spruce Street. Spruce Street. You see, we have one of these pedestrians right now, and ends up right here. Remember what I showed you back on the other side? Well, this is the same street. It's right here. So if you remember when I did the video for Frankfurter 4th Street on the second side back there, and I showed you about this that I pointed out, well, this is the one, guys. A Spruce Street right here. It bent it into a 90-degree, guys, to the left. So it's not straight. And it is not straight, and it's also not a street. It's a pedestrian path now. And as you can see, the cars flowing back and forth, you know, right here at the bottom and top there, going to the Brooklyn Bridge. So we're gonna go here, guys, and we're going back to our starting point. See, we were right there a couple of minutes ago. And now, to make it officially, we're gonna go around 180 back again, guys. See, this is what fascinates me about New York, guys, that it's here, but nobody knows about it. These streets, you know, they're here, but it's like nobody knows about it till now. Till now, till the walking Google, me, came along. Why? I don't know. I just started doing this stuff and I like it now. So anyways, now we'll keep going, guys. Just call me the walking Google of New York City. Also in Mexico, in Guapiasta too. So now people can see how really the streets of New York really are, man. And again, this is just a pedestrian path. But according to Google, you know, it says that this is still Spruce Street. Well, you know, not literally, you know, because, you know, there's no cars or vehicles come through here, guys. But to me, this is fascinating. Again, Mr. Spock, fascinating. Again, guys, I mean, this is really fascinating, man. Finding streets that are not streets, but yet the name says it. And Google says it. Oh, and by the way, guys, Google is not always accurate. So I have to, when I go there, personally, at times, whatever the place is, I have to rearrange it because it's not, you know, the way, you know, Google, you know, says it, or, you know, you see it on, you know, the map. So you see, now we're coming out of the pedestrian path of Spruce Street, and now we're heading back into the actual street, back of Spruce Street. Back there, again, it's really short, guys, not that long. And we have the Waka Waka. And again, this Spruce Street is mostly made up of the Pace University, which is, if you notice, it's really long, man. It's almost 2 blocks long. So that's a huge animal back here. Oh, check it out, guys. And again, that is a shape-shifting building, man. It's a shape-shifting building up there. And we'll keep moving. Sorry, guys, she keeps turning off. I gotta see into this, man. I don't know what she keeps turning off, man. Anyways, we keep moving, guys. Oh, and like I said, guys, at the end of the video, before signing out, I'm gonna show you one of the founding fathers, or as I call it, F to the second power. So we're gonna go and say hello and goodbye. Then we can sign off the video there. Again, this university is almost 2 blocks long, man. Check out the shape-shifting building from here, guys. Close range. Shape-shifting building. Or maybe the UFO building. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And you have this weird railing here, guys. I don't know what it is for. I'm pretty sure it's got some sort of use, see? But I'm not sure what it is. Okay, guys, again, it's only one street that they cross, and that's it. And it's 3 names. Coming up at Spruce Street, Nassau Street, and also known as Pace Plaza. So Nassau's back there, and this is Spruce Street and Pace Plaza. And now we're gonna finish the video with one of the founding fathers back there, or as I call him, F to the second power. And there he is. Now coming up at Spruce Street, Park Row. Now we're gonna say hi to Mr. Benjamin Franklin himself. Not in the flesh, but in bronze. There he is, one of the founding fathers, or F to the second power. Benjamin Franklin. Let's see. And that's it. And guys, thanks for joining me on this one, and I'll see you some more time. Bye.